Today, we are focusing on a very special vehicle, the Maserati MC12. Built from 2004 to 2005, closely related to the DNA of the Ferrari Enzo, the MC12 is something very special. Only 50 were built in real life. Fortunately, the number of models is much higher. Now, on the one hand, we have the brand new model from BBR, which has secured the Maserati license. On the other hand, one of my absolute favorites from Hot Wheels. You could find the MC12 in its original packaging in this form in 2005. In addition to two rim variants, silver and gold, there was also a dark blue version from a mystery series. But the absolute eye-catcher is and remains the original pearl white color. The BBR has some beautiful details. All emblems, such as the Italian logo or the Maserati sign at the front, are printed, including the MC12 on the windscreen. The model has rubber wheels that roll freely. Some elements, such as the engine grille, are made of imitation carbon fiber. The rear is also perfectly painted and very detailed, from the exhaust pipes to the Maserati logo. And to emphasize once again, the model rolls without any problems. Side by side, you can clearly see the differences. Of course, back in 2005, the Hot Wheels model was already available in our shops for around $3 and offered a lot for very little money. The BBR costs between $20 and $30, depending on the retailer. The missing print on the front windscreen of the Hot Wheels model is clearly recognizable. At that time, windscreen prints were hardly feasible. The bonnet also has only a few radiator grille elements. The front lights on the other Hot Wheels model are also only painted and not made from other parts as on the BBR. From the rear, the Hot Wheel model is kept very simple, with red painted taillights and a slightly more purple color tone rounding off the model. Only the BBR has the bonnet cover as a carbon imitation. Incidentally, the exhaust pipes were painted by me and are not standard. You can clearly see the difference here on the second model. The Hot Wheels also looks bigger and coarser from the side. Back then, unfortunately, the rear wheels were always larger than the front. Of course, there are no rear view mirrors either. Today, you pay a good deal of money for the Hot Wheels. A must for collectors, but for MC12 fans, the money is better invested in a BBR. Or what do you think? Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in another video. Cheers.